Biology 1 Cell Structure Solution and Transport Test. Number 1. Cells are classified as prokaryotes or eukaryotes depending on whether they A. Contain chloroplasts, B. Have a cell wall, C. Contain genetic material, or D. Have a nucleus. Number 2. In eukaryotes, DNA A floats freely in the cytoplasm, B is located in the nucleus, C is located in the ribosomes, or D is circular. Number 3. Which organelle makes protein? A. Ribosome, B. Golgi apparatus, C. Mitochondrion, or D. The vacuole. Number 4. Which organelle is responsible for energy production in eukaryotic cells? A. The Golgi apparatus, B. The endoplasmic reticulum, C. Mitochondrion, or D. Lysosome. Number 5. Which of the following is a function of the cell membrane? A. It breaks down lipids, carbohydrates, and proteins from foods. B. Regulates what enters and exits the cell. C. Provides the sites to make proteins. Or D. Keeps the cell wall in place. Number 6. Which cell structure is made up of a lipid bilayer that is embedded with various proteins? A. The cell membrane, B. Cell wall, C. Nucleus, or D. Mitochondria. Number 7. Which structure or structures would you expect to find in plant cells but not in animal cells? Is it A. The mitochondrion, B. Cell wall and chloroplast, C. Ribosome, D. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum? Number 8. In plant cells, the cell membrane is found A. Inside the cell wall, B. Outside the cell wall, C. Both inside and outside the cell wall, or D. There is no cell membrane if there is a cell wall. Number 9. If a plant cell is placed in a hypotonic solution, the cell membrane expands, but the cell wall remains fixed or stuck in place. The conclusion from this result will be that the cell wall is A. A flexible barrier, B. Found in all organisms, C. Composed of a lipid bilayer, or D. Rigid and strong. Number 10. The diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane is called A. Osmosis, B. Osmotic pressure, C. Facilitated diffusion, or D. Active transport. Number 11. Which of the following is an example of a type of active transport found in cells? A. Diffusion of oxygen gas from a low to high concentration. B. Osmosis of water molecules from a high to low concentration. C. A protein pump moving ions from a low to high concentration. Or D. Facilitated diffusion of glucose from a high to low concentration. Number 12. Active transport requires A. Sunlight, B. Energy in the form of ATP, C. Chlorophyll, or D. Carbon dioxide. Number 13. Which is the correct order of levels of organization from smallest to largest? A. Cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. B. Cells, organs, tissues, and organ systems. C. Tissues, cells, organs, organ systems. Or D. Organs, cells, tissues, organ systems. Number 14. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Animal cells are eukaryotic and plant cells are prokaryotic. B, both animal cells and plant cells are prokaryotic. C, both animal cells and plant cells are eukaryotic. D, animal cells are prokaryotic and plant cells are eukaryotic. Number 15, match the item with the cell type. A cell membrane. A, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. B, prokaryotic, or C, eukaryotic. 16, match the item with the cell type. Cytoplasm. A, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. B, prokaryotic, or C, eukaryotic. 17. Match the item with the cell's type. Bacteria. A, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. B, prokaryotic, or C, eukaryotic. Number 18. Match the item with the cell type. DNA. A, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. B, prokaryotic, or C, eukaryotic. Number 19. Match the item with the cell types. Contains membrane-bound organelles such as the mitochondria or the endoplasmic reticulum. A, both prokaryote and eukaryote. B, prokaryote, or C, eukaryote. Number 20. Match the item with the cell type. Small and has a simple structure. A, both prokaryote and eukaryote. B, prokaryote, or C, eukaryote. Number 21. Clear jelly-like substance. Most chemical reactions occur here. Is that A, lysosome, B, ribosomes, C, chromosomes, or D, cytoplasm? While viewing a slide of rapidly moving sperm cells, a student concludes that these cells require a large amount of energy to maintain their activity. What organelles provide this needed energy? A, the nucleus, B, the cell membrane, C, centrioles, or D, mitochondria. Stores, number 23, stores water, waste, and minerals. Is that A, the vacuoles, B, the chromosomes, C, chloroplasts, or D, cytoplasm? '24. Packages and modifies proteins and lipids. Is that A, cytoplasm, B, Golgi apparatus, C, endoplasmic reticulum, or D, ribosomes? '25. Outermost layer of a plant cell. A, cell wall, B, endoplasmic reticulum, C, chloroplast, or D, cell membrane? 26. Outermost layer of an animal cell. A, chloroplast, B, endoplasmic reticulum, C, cell wall, or D, cell membrane? 27. Contains digestive enzymes to get rid of waste and unwanted materials. A, ribosomes, B, chloroplast, C, lysosomes, or D, vacuole? Number 28. Contains chlorophyll. This is the site of photosynthesis in plant cells. A, chloroplast, B, mitochondria, C, nucleus, or D, Golgi apparatus? Number 29. Which of the following is a condition of the cell theory? Choose all that apply. A, all cells come from pre-existing cells. B, cells are the basic unit of living organisms. C, all living things are made up of cells. Or D, cells spontaneously generate. Number 30. This type of cellular transport requires energy. Substances are moving from an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration. Is this A, active transport, B, facilitated diffusion, C, passive transport, or D, osmosis? 31. Blank is a process by which cells take large molecules into the cell by surrounding them with the cell membrane. Blank is the reverse process where cells send out large molecules by first packaging them in the cell membrane. A, passive transport and active transport. D, endocytosis and exocytosis. C, exocytosis and endocytosis. Or D, diffusion and osmosis. 32. Describe how the cell membrane is flexible and made of different molecules. Proteins can move through the lipids. A, fluid mosaic model. B, facilitated diffusion. C, endocytosis slash exocytosis. Or D, selective permeability. 33. Property of the cell membrane by which certain substances are able to pass through the membrane and certain substances are not. A, facilitated diffusion. B, selective permeability. C, active transport. Or D, endocytosis slash exocytosis. Number 34. Which of the cells to the right would be more efficient at allowing nutrients to enter the cell and waste materials to exit? A, cell A, or B, cell B? 35. Diffusion that occurs within the aid of membrane-bound proteins, a form of passive transport. A, active transport. B, fluid mosaic model. C, endocytosis slash exocytosis. Or D, facilitated diffusion. 36. Which term refers to a protein of the phospholipid that would be repelled or pushed away by water? A, hydrophobic, or B, hydrophilic? 37. Identify the component of a phospholipid which would be attracted to water. A, the tail, or B, the head. For questions 38 through 40 below, the red circles represent cells in a solution. For each picture, identify which direction water will move to different solute concentrations. Your answer options are A, water enters the cell, B, water exits the cell, and C, no movement of water. 38, you have sugar particles. 39, you have starch particles. And 40, you have salt particles. In the picture above, what type of solution is the cell in? A, hypotonic solution, B, isotonic solution, or C, hypertonic solution? 42. In the picture above, what type of solution is the cell in? A, hypotonic solution, B, isotonic solution, or C, hypertonic solution?